Assalamu alaikum friends. So today I will be explaining you about how to install Java in your system. So first of all, check in your system. First you have to check in your system that whether the Java is installed or not. For that, you can go to control panel. Just type control panel in the search and go to control panel and you will be navigating to this page actually. So then click on programs and then programs and features. So here you can check whether the Java is installed or not. So right now in my system Java is not installed. So then another procedure to check is just go to your file explorer and then go to C drive, then program files and Java. So here also I'm not able to see any Java related folder. So I am not having Java in the in my system. Okay, so now I will be going to install Java. So for that first I have to download JDK. So for that just go to browser, just enter JDK download and enter and you will be navigating to this page. So here you can see first link you can open the new tab and here you can see JDK download is there, right? So just click on that JDK download and this page will be open. So if you go down, right now we have JDK 15. 15 is the latest version. So here you can see in JDK files, uh, different types of files are there. So here you can see Linux, right? So this is the Linux operating system. For that you have to download this file, and then like that you have to check what operating system you have in your system. If you have Mac and you have to download this, if you have Windows, then two files are available. So first is installer. Okay, you will be getting .exe file if you download this file, or otherwise you can download a zip file also. So it if you download installer, it will be easy to install in your system. So go ahead and download this .exe file. In my system right now I am having JDK 18, JDK 13. So JDK 13 you can find here, like you can see here JDK 13, right? Just open that. If you want to install JDK 13, then go ahead and install. So right now I am having this file in my system. I will I'll show you that file. See, JDK 13 I am having, right? So in order to, okay, first you have to download it. Just click on this .exe file like that, and then it will ask you to, you have to accept this license and agreement, and then if you click on this, then the download will start. Let's see what will happen here. Okay, it's asking for the passwords, right? So for that you have to have account in the Oracle. So just create a account in the Oracle. If you don't have, just go ahead and click on create account and create it. Otherwise if you have, then go ahead and sign in, and then after that you will be yeah, down the file is automatically downloading. So I'm having this file, that's why I'm stopping it, and then just go to the file, whatever file wherever you are downloaded, and double click on that file. So it will be asking you some permissions. Click on yes, So it will start download installing actually. You will see that in a minute. See, it's preparing to install. So just click on next. So the Java JDK will be installed in this location. See program files Java JDK. So just click on next. It will copy all the files into my C drive, and then extracting installer. So it will extract all the files whatever I needed. It will take some time, just wait, and it will be complete. Yeah, it's completed successfully. So you can see the message here. Just click on close, and then go to your Java folder. See, you can see JDK 13 is there. So we have JDK in our system. So we have the JDK, but we have to configure in the system. We have to tell the system that where our JDK is. So if you run a command in the command prompt, like just enter Java and enter, so you can see here the system is not recognizing. So that means you see we have to tell the system that I have installed JDK in this location. So just copy this location and then go to my PC, this PC, then just right click here in the space and click on properties, and then just click on advanced system settings and click on environment variables. So in the path is there, right? So already I have some values here. So if you have some values there, then just enter semicolon and then paste the uh, JDK bin path. So if you don't have any of these files, just enter the JDK path. Just enter the JDK bin path. Don't enter any semicolon like that. Only you have to enter this path. Okay. Okay. Then click on OK. Okay. Then click on OK. Okay. Okay. Now you can close it. You can close it. This also you can close, and just you have to reopen the command prompt. So exit from it first. Exit. Enter. And then reopen it. Now just enter Java and enter. So if you see, I am getting some output here, right? So that means my system is recognizing Java and Java. So this will be the complete installation actually. So you can see the Java version also. Just enter Java hyphen version, Java space hyphen version. Enter. Then you can see Java 13 is there. Likewise, you have to check Java C also. Java C. Enter. So this Java C is compiler, Java compiler. So Java compiler also recognized by my system. So there is no uh, problems are there. So this is the complete process of how to install and how to configure the Java in the system. So that's it. I hope you understand this, and if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum and bye guys.